So this is the beautiful Prunus serrula with this wonderful peeling bark, which is in all these multicolours that you can see now, and the old bark peels away to leave that lovely shiny new bark. But when we look at this tree and we step back for a minute, we see that we've got a problem. We've got these two branches crossing over on each other, and actually this branch here is being dug into by this side branch. So we've got to make up a mind which of the two branches needs to go to tidy this tree up after the winter. And it seems a pity to cut either branch off, but if time goes on and this tree develops, there's going to be a problem here. And probably it's best to do something now rather than let the tree spoil at a later date. So we've got a choice, either to cut out this branch or to cut out this branch. And when we look, the upright branch is actually the leader of the tree, whereas this cross branch is already a drooping, odd shape, and I'm afraid it's this branch that's got to go for the sake of the overall health of the tree. So I'm just going to whip out a little handsaw, and I'm going to cut it as close to the main trunk as I possibly can. So we've got a nice neat cut. It looks a bit drastic. But when you look now, you can see what those two branches were doing, rubbing together. There'll be an innate weakness in this stem now, and it may be that in time we have to cut out that other branch too. But having got rid of this piece, when we look more closely, we see that we've got another problem, as these two branches are enveloped in on each other, and this piece here needs to go as well for the future of the tree. So we're going to nip out this branch before it does any more permanent damage. So now if we stand back and look at the shape of the tree, we've got a more upright tree, we haven't got any branches rubbing, and hopefully in 10 or 20 years time, we've saved a terrible collapse and breakdown of the tree. So typical spring job. Didn't take very long. It was quite obvious what had to be done, and we've now done it.